Good morning, everyone. You are listening to Preeti Singhal, your news anchor from Lavafara Media. Here we bring you the latest updated news of 12 June from around the world. Punjab CM Amarendra Singh orders stricter lockdown on weekends, public holidays, reports PTI. The decision to tighten the curbs on weekends and holidays has been taken amid apprehensions of COVID-19 reaching the community spread stage in Punjab and projections indicating that the peak in the state was still 2 months away. Industrial activities, however, will be allowed to function normally on all days, the CM said. India-China maintaining engagements to resolve Eastern Ladakh row at the earliest. India and China maintaining military and diplomatic engagements to peacefully resolve the Eastern Ladakh row at the earliest, the Ministry of External Affairs said on Thursday. India's tour of Sri Lanka called off due to COVID-19 pandemic. India's limited overs tour of Sri Lanka in June-July was on Thursday called off due to coronavirus pandemic, with both the boards saying that the situation is not feasible for the games to go ahead. Struggling to unite country, Trump reopens re-election campaign. US President Donald Trump will address searing anger over racism and police brutality during a trip to Texas on Thursday, but his main focus is rapidly shifting to a more personal problem, his troubled re-election campaign. Pandemic accelerating in Africa, test kits needed, said by WHO. The coronavirus pandemic is accelerating in Africa, spreading from capital cities where it arrived with travelers, but it does not appear that severe cases and deaths are being missed, the WHO said on Thursday. Private hospitals, nursing homes to pool staff for COVID facilities. To increase the number of COVID beds in the city, the district administration will ask private hospitals and nursing homes to dedicate a few establishments for the treatment of coronavirus patients, while the rest can continue with their usual work. Cancer patients with COVID-19 dies in Noida, toll climbs to 10. One person dies after testing positive in Noida and 38 more were found to have COVID-19 on Tuesday. With this, the total number of positive cases rose to 691 in the district. So far, 10 COVID-19 patients have died in Noida, and the district now has 423 people who have beaten the virus. COVID-19. India is not in community transmission stage, says ICMR. India's first sero survey on COVID-19 spread has found that lockdown and containment measures were successful in preventing a rapid rise in infections, but a large proportion of the population still remains susceptible, the government said on Thursday, ascertaining that the country is not in the community transmission stage. Preeti Singhal will come with the new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.